Ooh, the dragon. It was closed last time we were here, so this is very exciting. Edward's first ever ride on the dragon. Yeah. Yay! Let's do this. Whee! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! We're going to do the Edward screamometer. How much does Edward scream? You're doing really well, Bunny. This is just like a maximum. Like a second and then it slows back down again. It doesn't go faster all the time like Max and Moritz does. It's to give you the illusion that it's going faster, I think.
It's definitely getting faster.
Do you think? Yeah. Okay. Didn't you like it? Okay.
Just like it.